Hi, one of the easiest DIYs you can do in your living room that makes it look expensive is framing your TV. So we converted our TV into an art piece whenever we are not using it, and it is one of the best DIYs and the most easiest one. First, measure your TV to ensure the frame fits perfectly. You will want to cover the black borders so only the screen is visible. So make sure you're only measuring the screen part of the TV as shown here. Once you have your measurements, use a miter saw or miter shears to cut the trim at a 45-degree angle for clean corners. If you don't have power tools, that's okay. A miter box will work just fine. Now apply wood glue to each mitered corner and press them together to form the frame. Use corner clamps to hold everything in place while it dries. Let it sit for a few hours so the glue bonds properly. To secure the frame to the TV, you can attach small wooden blocks with brad nails. As you can see, this wooden support made out of some scrap wood helps the frame to hang on the TV. It's time to paint. I'm using painter's tape to create a two-tone effect with black and gold spray paint. First, spray the black sections and let them dry. Then, remove the tape and carefully spray the center with gold. If any paint bleeds through, touch it up with a small brush for a flawless finish. Once the paint is dry, hang the frame on the wooden support and attach command strips on the back of the frame and adjust it to make sure it is centered and secure. And that's it. Your TV is now framed and doubles as a piece of artwork when not in use. For under $15, this simple DIY completely transformed my TV. Would you try this project?